So it's the end of day 2 now, and it's been an eventful day, hasn't it, mine?
Yep.
So coming up in the vlog is, well, both of us eating snails. Well, you could see later on how that went. And then we went on a boat ride. We went to the Arc de Triomphe, where you was being a bit silly. We've seen a little bit of a rumble in the shopping centre. Loads of tube wandering.
And someone's eating ice cream.
Yes, someone had a big ice cream that couldn't finish. His belly was, his eyes were too big for his belly. So
and the Silver Fox were a bit cheeky.
yeah, and Leicester won. Well, Leicester drew 1-1. So watch the rest of the vlog. Is coming up now. It's day 2 now, and we've got up a bit late today. Where are we, mate?
I'm feel very tired.
I feel very tired. Where are we though?
McDonald's in Paris.
Because it's only down the road, isn't it? So we get our coffee and some breakfast, and then we're off on another adventure for today.
It's game day today.
It's game day as well. So we'll be ringing Jack in a bit.
We need a 3 point today.
We need 3 points, yes. So come on, the Foxes.
Come on.
Different to the UK menu. You got what you got? Mine. You got
chips.
You got egg and cheese, some fries, a coffee, and I got egg and bacon and cheese. So it's day 2, and now we're going on the tube down to.
Where we went yesterday.
Where we went yesterday, but we're going to go on a boat ride.
Boat ride.
On the River Seine. After that, well, we'll see what we do after that. Right then. Hi all.
Hi all, the fun whistle I'm here. From the Silver Fox is here with KFC Dad.
So, Brentford today, our match predictions. I'm going to go a 2-1 again, and hopefully, fingers crossed, we get the 3 points this time. What about you, Mayan Silver Fox?
1-0.
You going 1-0 again?
Yeah, because it's going to be a hard game. Ivan Toney looking good, the team looking good, Brentford. But I think we'll go 1-0. We'll get clean sheet.
Okay.
And come on, City.
Come on,
and
City.
Like and subscribe to the channel. Mind yourself.
Just getting the tickets for the boat trip.
Yeah, very interesting.
Thank you. Listen, you need to bloody speed up now because you're so slow. You're like a snail. Come on, speed up.
Come on, speed up.
Where is it?
Maybe there.
So one of these then. Come on, snail. Oh well, another queue. First trip of the day, a first for both of us really, isn't it? A boat trip on the Seine.
Yep.
Is that what you're going to say today? Yep.
Yep.
You need to start having the late nights.
I need to have a late night.
No, I need to stop drinking too much wine.
But I do need to stop drinking too many beers.
I'm alright, mate. I'm fine. You just yeah.
Okay.
Oh, what's that behind us?
Eiffel Tower again. 2 in a row. We've seen it 2 in a row now.
Okay, we're going to get this one done, and then we're going to go on to the next one. What's that? We're going to look for a...
It's a Colonel House.
We're going to look for a KFC.
House.
There you go, Burberry watch. Back down the tube. We're going
Again.
to Arc de Triomphe.
And try to find KFC now.
After for lunch, yes.
Yes.
Oh, the foxes. Aisle.
The Leicester are taking on Brentford.
The team news will be out soon, and we'll read that out on the vlog. But at the moment, we're still on our travels, and where are we now, Mayan?
We're at the town in Paris.
No, we're at the Arc de Triomphe.
Yep, it's very famous.
Let's turn around. There it is, behind us.
There's no disco.
He's had too many Red Bulls.
There's no disco.
What's he doing now? There's the Arc de Triomphe.
Here we are at the archery.
What's it called?
Archery.
Archery.
Yeah,
It's Arc de Triomphe.
yeah. We might have put the KFC Dad in there. I need to put KFC Dad up the top.
What's it called again?
You can't remember you up there.
What's it called again?
Archery. Ole, ole.
It is the other side of the Arc de Triomphe. What's it called?
Archery.
Arc. So we just stopped off on our route to the next place that we're going to, because it's 3 o'clock over here and it's team news. So the team news is out. A bit of a different team. So what we got then? We got Everson in goal.
Everson, Indidi, Housusa, Amati.
So in defence, it looks like Everson, Ndidi, Suter, Amati and Pereira.
And then Castagna, then Barn and Jubio, then Madders, Tete and Daka.
Yes, so no Inacho starting today.
Inacho is on bench and Mendy's on bench. Samari is on bench. Luke Thomas, Jamie Vardy, Pratt and
Wanya McQuell.
Yeah, good team. I think a good team today.
Well, let's hope it is the team that brings us back the 3 points.
City!
Come on, you foxes! Right, we better get back on our adventure.
Yep.
Burberry watch. Right, so we're going off to the next place. Kick-off's in about an hour. We're going to chill out. We're a bit knackered, walking around everywhere. Our train is here, so we'll see you in a bit.
Let's have it.
I think we've taken the wrong turning, haven't we? Look, where are we?
We're not like in Leicester town.
We're like in the Westfield Centre.
No, we're not like in Leicester.
Right, we're off. We're off to the Pompidou Centre. Pompidou Centre. So let's get there quick.
Let's get there quickly and get.
Because I'm hungry now.
I'm hungry now. I need to get some beer down me. No, but ticking list. Pompidou, we're here. Pompidou.
Another one ticked off the list where we've just made it now to the Pompidou Centre. Look right behind us. There you go. Look. Bit of a queue there at the moment. Look there. So we're going to grab something to eat at a restaurant, and we're going to have a few beers and listen to the
Come on,
Foxes
Leicester!
try and get a win.
Oh, they said this.
So we're getting a bite to eat now, but we're keeping an eye on the score. So far, Leeds are winning 1-0 against
Bournemouth.
No, that's Aston Villa winning 1-0 against Bournemouth.
Bournemouth.
And Leeds are winning 1-0 against Wolves.
Yeah, this is good for us, Dan.
It is good for us. No, well, Leeds isn't good for us. But come on, Leicester. We need Leicester to score now. Come on. So the moment is here. Another one of the challenges is
Popcorn.
no. We got that, but what's another one of the challenges? What's coming in a minute?
I might impress
What's coming in a minute?
with the snails.
We are going to be having some snails.
Ugh,
We're going to do it.
I'm gonna do it.
Anyway, the big moment has arrived. As promised, look.
Look, this is massive.
The pizzas are massive, but we've got to have this first. Go on then, you're first.
It's alright. It's nice. Ah.
You want another one?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh wow, okay. Well, let me have mine first.
Oh, KFC Dad Shrine of Snails.
Okay.
Let's see you doing it, how to do it in the French.
See?
Yes, thank
It's
you.
okay?
Yes.
First of all, you take it like this,
Yes.
and after,
Like that. Okay.
it's okay?
Yes, thank you.
Oh. What do you think?
It was alright. Oh well, just after eating that snail, Brentford have scored.
Shocking.
Come on, Esther.
Come on, Leicester.
And right on cue, Brentford have scored. 1-0 Brentford. Not sure who the goal scorer is.
Bet Ivan Tony scored.
Hold on, let's see. It's
Still checking.
no, it's Matthias Jansen who scored for Brentford. So a quick update just before half time. It's Spurs have scored 1-0 against Southampton, which is good for us. We've not been that great, have we? And we're 1-0 down.
A little bit disappointed.
Yeah, but listen, it's only 1-0, and we've still got a whole another half.
Brentford got a yellow card. Just seen on my phone.
Okay.
That's been positive.
Okay, so it's half time now at Brentford. With Leicester losing 1-0. Matthias Jensen's goal. Apparently, from what we've read and what people have said, we haven't played that well this first half. We've got to remember it's only 1-0. Be positive. There's the whole second another half, and we can still bring on Nacho.
Drew a shot.
Yeah. So
It needs to come, and so probably Leicester fans are missing me because I keep seeing it all the way.
well, I don't know about missing Bernie.
Me.
Anyway, see you in a bit. Hopefully we can get the win in the second half.
Come on.
So Southampton have just equalised against Tottenham, and Leeds have got a
Winning
second
2-0.
second goal, so they're winning 2-0. I think Shea Adams scored for Southampton. Come on, Leicester.
We need to be better in this. Come on. Do something. Come on. Get in. Leicester's finally scored. Come on, you Blues.
Who scored?
We don't know yet. Oh. Harvey Barnes.
Harvey Barnes. And there was me saying he should be sent off.
An arrow. Boom.
Goal. Harvey Barnes makes it 1-1 for Leicester City. There was me just saying we should be putting Nacho on and taking Harvey Barnes off. What do I know, eh?
Nothing. Bye bye, Dad.
Come on,
Definitely.
now we need another. We need those 3 points.
Come on, you Blues. Look, KFC Dad had been popcorn and glass of wine.
So it's ended 1-1 Leicester against Brentford.
I'm happy with that draw.
Well, it's better than thinking. Towards the end, Southampton, no, not Southampton.
Leicester.
Brentford had a player sent off. Baptiste got sent off for a second yellow card. So it's 1-1, a point for Leicester, which is better than losing, I guess. Who else?
Villa won 3-0.
Villa won 3-0. Leeds won 4-2.
4-2.
And Southampton dramatically come back from 3-1 down to 3-3, which is not good for us. What else was there?
They're still playing now.
They're still playing now, yeah. Look at that pissed up hooligan. What are we getting now?
I'm very happy with you. Eating it when you want.
No, I'm gonna get this.
Eating when Daddy wants.
I'm gonna get an Lebanese ice cream.
Oh, imagine.
Bonjour monsieur. Vous voulez des cornets de peau Moi ce sera cornet. 2 cornets s'il vous plaît. Vous voulez juste acheteur ou vous voulez mélanger les parfums? Ils sont marqués là les parfums si vous voulez.
Ce sera la fleur de lait, la classique.
Pas de mélange.
Là-dessus, les autres goûts sont là. Merci. Tu peux mélanger. Je regarde avec un super geste.
Would you like the whipped cream, sir?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, KFC Dad, what you got now?
I've got Lebanese ice cream, chocolate and vanilla, with pistachio all around it. It's quite a famous place, Bashir. Place to be, place to go, place to get your ice cream.
Bomb.
C'est ça, c'est ça.
Please like and subscribe to this channel called Mayan Tailor and I.
Now I'm back to get to see them back home.
Which way home?
I'm talking in Jack's voice now. We need to go.
Oh, come on, which way? Which one do we need?
Call A.
I think I've done very well down here. I think I'm like Captain Compass. Down the tubes.
Yeah.
Have you done any good?
Yeah, I've been done alright.
I'm the Captain Compass.
You're the KFC Dad, I'm the Mayan Tailor Fox. This be second. Look, this is Mum. Look at this.